How to register Presto card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can register your Presto card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to register a card on Presto, it's actually quite simple. Or maybe you want to create a new account on Presto card. It's very simple. Go to prestocard.ca, which is the official website. I'll make sure to drop a link. Then here you'll find a sign in and sign up option. So depending upon what you want, just go ahead and select those options manually. And after you've done that, selected sign in or sign up option, you should be able to see other options from the menu over here. So all you have to do is, if you want to create a new account, right over here you can see don't have an account, sign up. So just select the sign up option here. Once you select sign up, make sure to simply enter an email address and confirm your email address. On the next page, verify the email address. Then it'll also ask you to go ahead and then basically simply enter your password, and once you've done that, your Presto card will get successfully registered and you'll have successfully created a new account. This way you'll be able to register account on Presto card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.